Hey there! Meet the ultimate travel companion, the Windproof Travel Umbrella. Designed to withstand winds up to 85 miles per hour with its award-winning reinforced fiberglass ribs and vented canopy that prevent flipping and breaking. This compact, lightweight umbrella features an automatic open and close button, making it effortless to deploy and pack away, fitting easily into backpacks, purses, or car compartments. Its durable, quick-dry canopy repels rain, snow, and harmful UV rays while providing large coverage to keep you dry and protected during any storm or sunny day. Weighing under 1.1 pounds and folding down to just 11 inches, it's perfect for commuters, travelers, students, and outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable weather protection without bulk. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable, secure grip, while the strong 9-rib frame maintains its shape even in the harshest winds. Whether you're camping, hiking, or heading to work, this umbrella offers unbeatable durability, portability, and style for both men and women. Stay prepared and shielded from the elements with this premium, travel-ready umbrella that balances strength and convenience like no other. Thank you for watching. Check the link in description to buy this product. Please like and subscribe.